Hello and welcome back. My name is Leo, and I am so happy to have you here again for episode 2. I hope you are feeling a little more comfortable, a little more confident than when we started. If you are here for the first time today, a very special welcome to you too. You are in the right place. This is your safe space for practicing English. This is Rise in English podcast. In our first time together, we talked about being brave. Today, we are going to talk about a very powerful idea: the power of small steps. Big journeys begin with very small movements. Let's begin. Many people want to speak English fluently very quickly. This is a beautiful dream. But sometimes looking at that big, faraway goal can feel heavy. It can feel impossible. How can I ever be that good? You might think. Today, I want you to forget about the big, faraway goal for a moment. I want you to think only about today. Think only about this moment. Progress in English does not happen from one big, magical action. Progress happens from many, many small actions. Every time you listen to a podcast like this one, you take a small step. Every time you repeat a phrase, you take a small step. Every time you try to think one simple sentence in English, you take a small step. Imagine you want to walk from one side of a very dark room to the other. You cannot see the other side. But if you take one small step, you are safe. Then you take another small step, and another. Step by step, you cross the room. Learning English is the same. You don't need to see the finish line. You just need to trust the process of taking one small step after another. Your small step for today is this podcast. That is enough. That is perfect. Let's take some small steps together now. Now, let's begin our shadowing practice. We will start with short, powerful phrases about small steps. Remember, listen and then repeat during the silence. I take small steps. Every day is important. I practice a little. I am moving forward. Small progress is good. I am consistent. I learn something new. I am getting stronger. Step by step. I am patient. Excellent. You are building a very strong foundation. Each small phrase is like a brick. Together, they build a house of confidence. Well done. I want to tell you about another student. Marco was very busy. He had a full-time job and a family. He wanted to learn English for a better job, but he felt he had no time. He thought, I need to study for 2 hours every day, but I can't, so I will never learn. He felt defeated before he even started. One day, we changed his plan. Instead of trying to find 2 hours, I asked him to find just 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. What could he do in 5 minutes? He said, I can listen to one short English song. I can read one paragraph. I can practice 3 sentences. Perfect, I said. Do that. Every day. Just 5 minutes. The first week, Marco practiced for 5 minutes on his lunch break. The second week, he did 5 minutes on the bus. Sometimes those 5 minutes became 10 minutes because he started enjoying it. But the rule was always only 5 minutes are required. After 1 month, something amazing happened. Marco realized he had practiced English almost every day for a month. He had created a habit, a small, easy habit. His vocabulary was better. His pronunciation was clearer. He was not fluent, but he was no longer stuck. He was moving forward, step by small step. Marco did not find more time. He used small moments of time wisely. Your 5 minutes are enough. Your small effort is enough. Be like Marco. Trust the small steps. Now, let's practice some slightly longer sentences. We are building on our small steps. Remember to breathe and repeat during the silence. I can practice for 5 minutes. Small habits make a big difference. I learn English step by step. I use small moments to practice. Consistency is more important than perfection. I am creating a good habit. I feel good about my progress. I am proud of my small efforts. You are doing fantastic. These sentences are more complex, and you are handling them beautifully. This is the result of your practice. Let's have a quiet reflection moment. I want you to think about your day. Where can you find your 5 minutes? Maybe when you drink your morning coffee, or when you are waiting for a bus, or before you go to sleep. Don't think about 1 hour. Just think about 5 minutes. One small moment for English. Think to yourself, my 5 minutes is in the morning, or my 5 minutes is in the evening. This small plan is your next step. It is simple, it is achievable, and it is powerful. For our final practice, we will use longer sentences to improve our flow. Copy the rhythm of my voice.
I believe that small, consistent practice is the key to success. Every day, I find a few minutes to listen to or speak in English. I am not in a hurry because I know that I am improving every single day. My confidence grows when I focus on my daily progress.
I am building my English skills with patience and dedication. Outstanding! You are speaking beautiful, flowing English sentences. This is incredible progress. And just like that, we have reached the end of our time together today. You have taken many small steps in this episode. You have listened, you have repeated, and you have reflected. Thank you for your effort. Before our next episode, your mission is simple. Find your 5 minutes. Practice just a little, but practice consistently. Remember the story of Marco. You are on a beautiful journey. Be proud of every small step. I am so proud of you. I believe in you. Keep going, one small step at a time. This is Leo sending you encouragement. I will see you in the next episode of Rise in English podcast. Goodbye for now.